What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to make free money on TikTok without being 18 years old. It's crazy, I know, but I'm going to show you proof that this is possible. And I'm not talking about the TikTok Creators Fund, because for that you need to be 18 years old. I'm talking about real money, thousands and even $5,000 per month. This is a step-by-step tutorial where I'm going to show you how these kids, teenagers, are monetizing their accounts without having their own products and without having a million followers. They are only creating simple videos on their phones. If this is something you want to do, keep watching. But before we jump into today's video, if you like to make money online, please hit the like button and subscribe to Rolladale Business so you don't miss a single video that I put out every single day all about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how these kids are making money from their bank account on TikTok. So pay attention. Don't skip a single minute of this video, because if you do, you will miss important steps of this method and you will not be able to make the money that these guys are making. We all know that TikTok is a platform that is turning everyday kids into celebrities. But it's not only about being famous. Another thing is to be TikTok rich. Nowadays, you see thousands of accounts with hundreds of thousands of followers, even millions. But the truth is that not all of them are making money with the platform. But how are they doing this without selling their own product and without having a million followers? Well, they are leveraging something called affiliate marketing on Rolladale platform, which is what I'm going to walk you through and show you the type of video you can post and start making money ASAP. What is affiliate marketing? This affiliate marketing is when you become an affiliate for a company and you promote their services or products for a commission. Now, let me show you exactly what they are doing, because it's not as complicated as you may think. It's actually really easy, and I'm going to walk you through in just 7 steps. Step 1. Head over to www.rolladale.com or click on the first link in the description below. This link will automatically take you to the registration page where you will need to fill out your information. You don't need a lot of information. All you only need is to enter your first name here, last name, email address, username, then select your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria, but if you're from other countries, go ahead and select your country. Now, here you need to enter your phone number, enter your password here, and accept the terms and conditions. After that, click Register Now. Registration is completely free, so you don't need to pay any money to register an account. It's free. Step 2. You will receive a confirmation email in your email account. In case you don't find the email in your inbox, check the spam folder. As you can see, you need to enter the code here and confirm your account. So, let me copy the code from my email and go back to the Rolladale website and paste it. After that, click Submit here to activate your account. Step 3. After you submit the code, you will see your account dashboard like this with 0 funds. Don't worry, we aren't going to deposit any money yet. Our focus on this video is to make money here for free without spending cash. Step 4. After heading over to your dashboard like this, it's time to start making money. So, all you have to do now is to scroll to this place that said referral link and click here to copy your affiliate link. This link is what we are going to use to generate real money here. Let me show you how it works. When you scroll down to the bottom of the website and click this Rolladale affiliate, as you see here, you earn 50% for every subscription and another 10% of all sales for life. Which means, if you refer someone on this website, you are going to continue making money from anything the person purchases on the site forever. How cool is that? Step 5. After you have copied your affiliate, go to www.bitly.com. This website will help you shorten your link and make it more interesting. You can just paste the link here and click shorten here to shorten the link. but I prefer to use my custom name. So, I am going to log into my account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up for a free account here. It is very easy. Step 6. Once you're on your account like this, click on this button that says Create. This will take you to this page. So, paste your link here and scroll down and click Create. As you can see, the shortened link here. You can edit and change it to whatever you like. After the copy, let's move on to the final step, which is to start making money with it from TikTok. Step 7. Now we have copied the link. Let's log into our TikTok profile to add the link. When you are on the profile, you will see something like this. Click on Edit Profile. As you can see, here is where you need to add the link which you have copied. I know you must have 1K followers before you see this option. So, if you don't have it yet, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment #I want followers with a hashtag like this. I will send you a coupon code you will use to purchase TikTok followers fast from smm.rolladale.com at almost 50% discount. So, after you added your link, it's time to start creating videos and direct your viewers to click the link. If you don't know how to make your videos, watch the video that is showing on your screen now to learn how to create whiteboard animation videos for free. There are plenty of kids that are making more money than their parents. The secret is high-ticket affiliate marketing, making 100 commissions per sale without holding inventory and without creating your own product. And the best thing is that you don't have to deal with returns or deal with customer support. You just send people to Rolladale and they will pay you for life. I'm making money online from the comfort of my home or my spare time. And if you learned something today, please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Rolladale channel and click the notification bar so you don't miss a single video that I put out every day, all about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching and bye for now.